Hello and welcome to the very first season of Online Appletuts. This is Jesse and I'll be hosting throughout the seasons of these videos. Since this is the very first video, we're going to take it easy and just learn about backgrounds for your Mac operating system or your Windows operating system. You're probably wondering why I'm doing a video on this. Well, lots of the times people aren't finding the right size of a background they need. Sometimes they're not even finding the right one. So I'm going to show you two methods of getting great backgrounds for your Mac. So yeah, to get started, all we want to do is start up Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, whatever you got, just start it up. And then in the search bar, what you want to do is you want to type in www.interfacelift.com. And then you want to hit enter. And then just let it load there. And basically once you're here, you can look through all these amazing backgrounds that have amazing quality. As you can see, you'll have all these resolutions. You have, you can get it for your cell phone, your PSP, triple monitors, dual monitors. You can get it from netbooks, Apple devices, HD TVs, full screen for whatever you'd call that. You can get it for widescreen, and then another strand of widescreen. But basically, yeah, you can get them basically any resolution you want, except for 2560 by 1600 or higher. Okay, anyways, so moving on. You have all these backgrounds here, and you want to know which one you got. Well, basically, you can go through 213 pages of amazing backgrounds. They start to get a little crappy and a little smaller as you get into the hundreds. But for 100 pages of amazing high-res backgrounds, that's pretty good. So basically, this website is called Interfacelift. You can look for backgrounds, icons, themes, iPhones, apps, lots of cool stuff. So we'll use this one as the example. What you do is you select it, and you select the resolution you want. Then you select download. And then it will come up here pretty fast. You can zoom in on it if you want, check the quality, the resolution. As you can see, it's really, really good for an image like this. So what you want to do is you want to right click, set as desktop background, and you're going to give it some time. And then finally, it comes up as your background, as you can see there. And then, basically, that's it. You got your background. You can search through thousands of pages. Well, let's see, to be exact, you can search through 213 pages of amazing quality backgrounds. So, yeah, try it for yourself. It's interfacelift.com. The link will be in the description, so try it out. Moving on to our next method. The next method will just be going to Google. Okay, so for all you Mac users out there, this is generally for a Mac user because that's the only way I know how to do it. Basically, the method I'll be using is going to about this Mac, more info, and then let's see here. Where is it? Graphics and displays. That's not generally how a Windows computer works, so that's why I said this method really won't be for a Windows user. But anyways, generally I bet you a Mac user will be watching this anyways. So, here we go. So, in the search bar of Google, you want to type in what you want. So, I'll just type in Apple wallpapers. So then in here, what you want to do is you want to go into your system profiler, and you want to check out here what size screen you got. Basically what you can do to find out how big your screen is by going to graphics and displays. And then inside of graphics and displays, you'll see your chipset model, your type, your bus speed, basically everything. And under iMac, you'll find resolution, pixel, depth, main display, mirror, just everything. And what you want to do is you want to take this, you want to copy it, and then you can X out of that if you want. You just type it in here. But don't go moving just yet. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into Show Options. We're going to go to Exactly and copy that number off the search. You're probably wondering, why don't we just copy and paste it into here? The reason why is because if we just copy and paste it into there, it will just be like that, and that won't work. So that's why we go like that, and yeah, basically just like that. And then you can delete this. Then you click on Search, and what the heck? Okay, something isn't right here. I don't know why. There we go. Something was wrong. Anyways, you basically just type that in there and then hit search. Then a column of awesome Mac backgrounds just come up, and I like them a lot. Basically, we'll use this one as an example. This one's your perfect screen res, and it's what you wanted. Basically, this method works a lot if you know your resolution, because then basically you'll get the perfect resolution for your screen. Generally, kind of like this one. I mean, that's crystal clear right there, and that's all because of what we did. You only get the finest quality if you type in your resolution. So basically, that's the general tip of how you find great backgrounds in Google. And then, of course, you also have interface lift. So take those two little methods into consideration. Try them out. The links are in the description for Google and interface lift. So go ahead, check that out. And yeah, don't forget to request stuff. And thanks for watching. So yeah, request stuff, and I will see you next week. Bye.